10 Best Liver Healthy Foods. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body and supporting digestion. A healthy liver is essential for overall well-being, and certain foods can help maintain its optimal function. Here are 10 foods that promote liver health and protect it from damage. 1. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes to remove toxins. It also has antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support detoxification. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are rich in chlorophyll, which helps neutralize toxins and supports liver detoxification. They also provide fiber and essential nutrients. 3. Beets. Beets are packed with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and promote bile production, which helps the liver digest fats and remove waste. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, an anti-inflammatory compound that helps regenerate liver cells and reduces fat buildup in the liver. 5. Green tea. Green tea is high in catechins, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support liver fat burning, helping to improve liver function. 6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and glutathione, which help the liver detoxify. They also reduce inflammation and promote fat metabolism. 7. Citrus fruits. Lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that support liver enzymes and detoxification. 8. Walnuts. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that reduce liver inflammation and support detoxification processes. 9. Olive oil. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin, helps reduce liver fat buildup and inflammation, promoting better liver function. 10. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts help activate liver enzymes and support the detoxification process. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help protect and support liver health, ensuring it continues to function efficiently. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.